Hi everyone, welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen. I am here with Geneva and we are making avocado toast with the Halloween theme, right? We're going to decorate our avocado toast. Okay, so we took one avocado, we removed the pit. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of empowdered pink Himalayan sea salt, some pepper, some lemon juice. We're going to mix it all together. Once it's all well mixed, we're going to put it on our toast. We toasted the toast and we're going to spread the avocado. So I'm going to start with just some chili flakes. Then we're using radish for the eyes. We are using the olives for the eyeballs. Look how, this is hysterical, I have to say. We are using the walnut for the nose and a red pepper for the mouth. So it kind of looks like Frankenstein. Look at that. What a cute, creative after-school snack, right?
Very cute.
Now let's taste it. Or breakfast, yeah. Oh my God, on Halloween day. Surprise your kids with a Halloween.
They're so cute.
So let's eat it. So fresh, really good, right? Easy recipe, so much fun. It actually put a smile on my face. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us. Click the button below to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. And hope to see you guys soon. Bye.